just with sports, but with how people get around. For the first time ever, electric air taxis will carry passengers through the sky, bypassing law's notorious traffic. These vehicles are called Midnight, designed by Archer Aviation. They take off and land vertically, fly quietly, and run entirely on electricity. Sleek, lightweight, and built for short urban flights, Midnight is a vision of the future made real. But the real game changer? Healthcare. In emergency situations where seconds matter, air taxis could deliver patients, doctors, or even organs faster than any ambulance. They offer access to remote areas and life-saving mobility during disasters. And it doesn't stop there. In the world of logistics, air taxis could redefine last-mile delivery. Fast, efficient, and less polluting than trucks, they could move small packages across cities in minutes. Even the defense industry sees potential. Imagine rapid personnel transport, real-time reconnaissance, or silent deployment in critical zones. Air mobility could provide speed and agility like never before. Of course, challenges remain: battery life, air traffic control, regulations, but progress is accelerating. The sky is no longer the limit. It's the new highway. Don't forget to subscribe, because the future of transportation is already taking off.